Alright, I don't see a lot of these, any really, videos for this 2016 Cadillac CT6. Anyway, the speaker back in there needs to be replaced. I asked the dealer twice to replace it, and they keep on doing other ones except for the one that I asked, so now I'm doing it myself because, yeah. So, kind of cool is the bottom comes out like the old school. You push it, you pull it up, and then it should have some bolts around the inside. Yeah, I need two hands. More to come. So these ones push in at the bottom actually, and I'll snug up that interior there. And then one connector, two connector, the seat comes out. So yeah, you just push in and pop up. That one was way more difficult. So you look like you got a couple bolts here for the restraints. And then we'll see what we got left after that. All right, so there's four. 1, 2, 3, 4 where the seatbelts go through in this middle one. So 4 18 millimeters. Helps if you have a deep socket, and then this goes up. You gotta pull it from locked up with this and pull up, but I can't do that with one hand. I got the other side loose. We'll get this side out. Yeah, so you push up, hooks on these, and you get this out. You have to pull it out to get past the bolts and then up. Yeah, I'm out of breath because I'm doing it by myself. If you had two people, you could push it up at the same time, fall out. I did one and the other, and then it falls back in. But either way, it's out now. I'll pull the seat all the way out, give me some room, and then discover what's under here. There's one yellow connection. This thing, super heavy. Trying not to scratch the paint. Anyway, still got to work on getting that top piece off. So, yeah, I'm laying in the trunk. I got this one going. There's a push in here, and another one up here. This isn't the side, but I thought I just slipped in here and there was a bolt, but the bolt's from the top, just like this one's bolts from the top. This is the one that's broken. Still haven't figured out how to get the cover off yet, because there's no other buddy doing this. Yeah. So if I was smart, I would have bought in all of them and replaced them. But I wasn't, so we'll see how far we get. Alright, so you have to pull the door trim out. You gotta pull where the seatbelt goes through. It comes out toward you. This is at an angle. This one's at an angle, and then there's a push pin here. I didn't fill any bolts on top. Hopefully I could, oh yeah, this is, anyway, what the dealer did. I'll fix it. Hopefully I could just lift up on this and sneak a hand in there and get this out without ripping apart that side. Kind of nightmare when you don't know what you're doing, but it's working out hopefully here soon. I just gotta get my little tool to pop this off, and we'll see where we go. So I get it. It's a lot of work. And it's back in there. You can barely see it back there. Camera won't focus. Or my phone rather. That's it back there. The bolt's in front of it. I don't know if it's an 8 or whatever. And I get it. It's a lot of work destroying the back of your beautiful wife's car. But man, I have a warranty. But I'll never take it back to Walnut Creek Ford. Jeez, they screwed me so bad. Anyway, all right. The new used one from Evil Bay is on there. I couldn't find a new one, so I don't know. This one doesn't look nothing obvious. So all we do is there's a quick connect you push here. You take the bolt out first, of course, push it, and this just wedges in and tightens down. And turn the beat on and see what it do. It wasn't like every time too, so it's just like a certain beat. So hopefully we figure it out if this is good. Seem okay. It's kind of hard to tell with everything loose over here. Ain't no telling. We just have to drive it, go from there. 2016. So I get to put this back together. I don't know, a little over an hour to do this little guy back here. I think the speaker was like $25 from the junkyard. Of course, it'd be faster next time to do all that. So basically all you need is the 18 millimeter for the 4 bolts at the bottom, and pull all your plastic from the sides, this seatbelt retention, the side down here, on this side is a pop rivet, and then a 10 millimeter for the bolt. Seems pretty easy. It's a nightmare if you don't have nobody on YouTube telling you, which is very rare on this 16. I gotta do the valve cover gaskets. Look forward to that. Like and subscribe.